All right, so we have our pork ribs, and I lined them up, put all my seasonings on there, poke some holes to make sure it's cooked all the way, and they're ready to go in the oven. Next, I'm going to boil my noodles for my baked macaroni and cheese and getting ready for my sauce. Then we have kale. Remember, we're going to wash this with salt. And always remember, if it's still green and the water's not clear, you got to do it again. We got to make sure that kale is washed thoroughly, okay? Don't get nobody no dirty kale now. And then we're going to put all of our seasonings and our peppers. Oh, yeah. And we're going to just let that cook down. Next, we're going to make sure that I put everything in the oven. Ribs, baked macaroni and cheese. That's the barbecue sauce that I put on. And I cook that through. And that's me glazing it. Yeah. Then it's looking good over here. But it still needs to be cooked through. I put chicken broth in it too. Baked macaroni and cheese left. Ribs are done. Look at my little parsley flakes. Isn't that cute? I can put more sauce if I wanted to. Baked macaroni and cheese still looking good. Oh yeah. Baked macaroni and cheese done. Add a biscuit instead of some cornbread. I got a little lazy, but this is the finished product. And I did a job well done. And at the end, I'm going to have some cranberry juice. And no, it's not wine, but bye.